Giving thanks. Yeah, you know, I will never sing. I have to show versatility, we have to show it. We have to show it. Now, represent. As a yardie, we love music all over. We get inspired. Inspired to aspire. Work and perspire. That's what we require. That's what we require. And I love our arm on the cruise for the first time. Yes. Busy signal. So what does I represent? That song you have to do from all several in a unique way. His palm is sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. Choking how? Everybody's hoping now, choking how? That's up, over now. Snap back to reality. Up, there goes gravity. Up, there goes gravity. Yes, level, gotta keep your head up, gotta keep your head up, gotta get your bread, gotta keep your head up, love our harmony cruise, keep your head up, gotta get your bread, gotta keep your head up, gotta keep working, gotta keep your head up, gotta hustle out, gotta keep your head up, level. Tell them said these are the flipping days when you can't. When you travel up the streets with the case, yo, you can't rest in peace in your grave. These are the times when the sneakers ain't your only lines. Some may call for Jesus and then commit the crimes. Don't believe I reckon still I read between the lines. Those are the flipping dudes. Claim them are your friend, I want your flipping food. Then, well, look at my wrong one, look at my rape one, look at my kill one, look at my... It's like when we die, on the flipping news. These are the flipping days when you can't trust police with them dirty ways. Juvenile and lock the streets with the case, or you can't arrest in peace. Well, everybody are the same different young same, different blue same, different song same. Same is in different hits with different messages, reaching out to everyone in all different communities. And they said these are the things I make up. DJ wanna sing, we can't believe the baby mother that's the beating of the thing. Baby father beat her with the thing of listening. Yes, gotta keep your head up. Gotta keep your head up. Gotta keep your head up. Got to keep your head up. Global Harmony Cruiser. Brent, I feel like more. Hold on there. Hold on there now. Hold on there. I feel like say, video is coming, I said, busy? Remember say, I love our Harmony Cruise and you probably can't do certain songs. I say, I idiot, then I fool some them. We try to edit. We're different with self and we love. Rather than serious, we don't nervous. Let me tell you about all the whole ice cream all over Harmony Cruise. No boy can go run with. One phone call and text and make some boy wipe out my earth. Jump. You can't listen love a Harmony Cruise, no matter how you. care about that, yeah. You're talking at my face, say you're rude. Everybody answer. If you can't think of the same answer. None of them say so. None of them say so. Shot them and shot them and shot them. Cause none of them say. None of them say so. I chop them and chop me, no fear that, no mind hear that. Empty bag will make nice and them and none over there, them and none over. Can't step to their president and the dog, them a real man's man. Them have a one piece and a pat and a pose, but them no bad man from the way. Just sit down, love your life, hey, different yourself anyway. None of them say. None of them say. None of them say. Chop them and chop them. None of them say. I said none of them say so. I said none of them say so. None of them say. So them say, so busy when they say one phone call it take, if you make some boy drop down flat, you're inside violent level. Them I say, hey, you're inside violence. Me say, no, how could I, how can I? But preach positivity. People who know busy say, you never see me, now hear me. The mix up on the cascas and the gossip and the TikTok warring and the internet bad man, them, the gossip. And them somebody. Me not take part in that. Me too busy for that. Busy for that. We are too busy for that level. So, them say you're inside. Me say no. It's a nice song that could also play in the church. If you ask me, one phone call it take for make someone drop down flat. There's nothing wrong with that. Sometimes you're under attack or something is going on, you dial 911. Most of the time in today's world when the police come, somebody drop down flat. That's it. Say it again. One phone call it takes to make some boy wipe off the earth and drop down. You can't this busy signal, me no matter about you and me no care about. Can't talk in a only full of chat, no for them stay so. No for them stay so. No for them stay so. And you say no for them stay so. And no for them stay so. And no for them stay so. January 24th. Romian born January 24th. Ninja Man born January 24th. But I don't believe in a zodiac because it's sure we are treat different smaddy. Yeah, Romian, Ninja, me and whole heap of other people who born in that Monday. And which part of people say near the start. I don't born me in a one piece of sheet. In a one place. Run a one part. Big up my mother, big up my father, big up everybody here because you're born. If you have a flowers, a tree, a yard, in your yard, in your dog, in your yard, a puss, a cow, a goat, and whatever them little uptown nice poodle, eh? And what the next one of them, they shit sewage, them, what them? Yeah, them dog there. So you see when you have them little same thing there, and them born somewhere, everybody celebrate life and birthday in different ways. No matter which partner here you're born, big up yourself, we celebrate life. We are celebrating life. If you're having a birthday tonight, big up yourself. If you have a birthday and it's already gone, happy belated. If your birthday on today, big up yourself, today. Here upon them, one more here upon them. One more here upon them. Love harmony, please sing this with me, celebrate. Happy birthday, young my friend. One more here upon them. Love harmony, close. Yeah, man, that vibe there, the energy there. Yes. Life. Whatever January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, Aquarius, Pisces, Taurus, Scorpio, top. Oh, tell you, happy birthday, you're my friend. Oh, yes.
One more year, one day.
More life to you, can we there till the end. Read for me, mix it, a big birthday. Hush, if I leave up on the ground, Peter. So give thanks to me. Everybody bring at it. Big shot smoke. Oh, turn up his sound max. Y'all them a bubble to the max with the thing well cool. Hey, me said no the location. They a pass but love a harmony, sickness non-stop. Happy birthday.
One more year, one day.
One word of vibe, give thanks for life. Next year we doing it up. I tell you this, happy birthday, yeah, my friend, yes. One more year. More life to you, can we there till the end. Still I live, so we loving life. It's another year, so we are rejoice. Be a family around, we not paranoid. Gratitude is a must, so make we be alive. The most I prayer we not go without. If a negative, me tell you love it out. Heart clean with health or strength, what you are worried about. And the most I blessing you, yes. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend, yes, yes. One more. One will have vibe. Give thanks for life. Next year we're doing it again, blink dancing. Happy birthday, yeah, me. Hey, I'm gonna tell them. One more year, hey, just he'll tell them. More life to you, can we there till the end. Happy birthday to anyone who's celebrating today. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, we have to represent. And we're going to bang them now. Because it's on my show. On my show, me always pay homage and pay respects. Yes. See, we respect elders up here the way before we. Yeah, man, we're not just up here in the business from now, we're out of the sky, so bluff. Yeah, we show respect to the greats. Yeah, man, we pay with dues. Represent. R.I.P. to Slide. R.I.P. to Robbie. They make this beat called the Bam Bam. We are testing the memory. Say, people, are you ready? Harmony Cruise people, are you ready? Once again, me say, people, are you ready? Love and Harmony Cruise people, are you ready? Want to remember this? Now this little girl, her name is Maxine. Her beauty's like a bunch. And if I ever tell you about Max, I would have say I don't know what I know, but murder she wrote. Love her Harmony Cruise, remember the Pt.2. I put your face and back around up. Then the kind of living car, who shut up. You put your face and back around up. Then the kind of level it. Now part of the show them testing. Testing. This man don't trouble. It can bring up bam bam bilam bam. Bam bam bilam bam, bam bam bilam bam, bam bam bilam bam. Mix again. Enough of them are never. Some of them you have so much. Lovely thing I'm testing. I test jump. I test the crowd. I test them. Love our harmony. Enough of them are bleach. Them a bleach out them skin, them a bleach. You look like a them a bleach. Them a bleach, you look like a brown. Say them a bleach out them skin, enough a bleach. If you look like a brown, enough a bleach out them skin. So let them know them. Them know them. Now test that one again. Level it. We're gonna be hot this year. What am I going to do for you? What am I saying? We're gonna be hot this year. What am I going to do if you hold me? the mercy. Look at me wicked this year, not even what I can. Alright, me got to listen. Look at me wicked, wicked, that is your past. The place of the nothing but stuff. I want it, I'm a bring the same stuff in that grind. Level it, level it, level it, level it. More level it. Leveler than that. Yes. More and try sing my like Godfather song on it. I don't know if it can fit. But me I go try. Wanna help me now? Every time I think of saying goodbye, everything inside me says alright. Oh I can't. Oh I can't. No, I can't. Wanna sing it louder now? Wanna know hungry? And she been with me right through the road, and she never said I hadn't known. Oh, yeah. Oh, I can't. Oh, I can't. Oh, I can't. Mix again. I miss him. Bam, bam, bam. Oh, what a bam, bam. Me say, what a bam. What a bam. Bam, bam, bilang, bam. Bam, bam, bilang. Bam, bam, bilang. Bam, bam, bilang. Bam, bam, bilang, bam. Oh, what a bam. Oh, what a bam. Say what a bam. Love a harmony, what a bam. Mother Fuko say what a bam. Mary Saman say what a bam. Agent Sasko say what a bam. Tana Stevens say what a bam. Romy and Virgo say what a bam. Yo Jabba tell them what a bam. The whole staff tell them what a bam. The media tell them what a bam. The dance all this a what a bam. A busy signal say what a bam. And Anga tell them what a bam. Hey Jazzy say what a bam. Hey Bling Dog what a bam. The whole turf me say what a bam. Hey me tell them say what a bam. Fireworks band say what a bam. Read him up. It's a nice vibe. I energy now. All who have flag. No. We do piece of this. Energy. Oh, when we are mash up the place, we say God say we in here. When we are mash up the place, we say God say we in here. Hey, we say when we are mash up the place, we say God say we. Alright then. Hey, tell them this. Pull up, pull up. Sound a bounce and the place a full up. Sexy gal and me can't get it up. Gal a good up high, that below. I'm the right with me stepping at the glow. Select up on the jumping at the soap. See the bumps and them spiny guns and the high grade sex. Me tell them. Miss I watch out for this. Miss I watch out for this. Miss I watch out for this. No, 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 no. Oh, watch out for this. Sorry for just for this. Watch out for this. Watch out for this. Me know this number one for this. Then put your big stuff like this. Watch out for this. Sorry for just lyrics. Watch out for this. Watch out for this. That's why everybody think gossip, 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 gossip. Love our harmony. Watch out for this. Oh, that's how we go tell them to watch out for this. Tell them to watch out for this. One second, they love our harmony. I'm thirsty or full. phone lights up. All the cell phone lights up, please. Lock off the main light, them monitors. Let me see the cell phone light, the people I represent. For all my Christians here tonight, pray for me and forgive me for the couple expletive. I express myself different. When I say amen, hallelujah all the time, but stay with me. I want to see all the lights up there, so. All the cell phone lights. I'm so proud to be Jamaican. I'm so proud and honored to be Jamaican. I want to see all of the lights, them, all of the lights, them. All of the lights, yes. Light up the place, light up the place, light up the place. Light up the place, light up the place, light up the place. Love our arm on the cruise, we say light up the place. Light up the place, we say light up the place. Lighter, 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 lighter. Take out the phone, them lighter, lighter. Take out the phone, them lighter. Take out the phone, them lighter. Take out the phone, them lighter. Love our arm on the cruise. Keep them shining, keep them shining, keep them shining. Keep them shining for your culture, for your nation, no matter where you come from. Keep them shining. Love arm on you. Love Jamaica, me not say love. Can't clip a wing, we always fly out. Whether we day at yard, have a brand love harmony, we represent Jamaica. Under the tree, with a glass of lemonade, jumping at the river when me ready for me. No boy can't buy me out with no foreign mind in nowhere. Where we lights like this slowly, it's Jamaica love. Hold up against the country, Jamaica. Love our arm on the crowd. Representing Jamaica, representing my nation, representing my nationality, representing everybody no matter where you come from. Asian, Tobago, Trinidad, Dominica, Guyana, Antigua, no matter where Africa, USA, Canada, Cayman Islands, Turks and Caicos, in the Bahamas, represent your place, light up for your place, light up for your place, I could not think back for you. Light up the place I want me to you, yes. Light up, light up, light up. I love Jamaica, and I say love. Can't clip a wing, we always fly up. Whether we there at yard, I'm a branch straight up, we have to represent Jamaica. Under the tree, jumping on the river when we ready for me. No boy can't buy me out. Mr. Bishop, not them proud and we have them slow, so whatever you want. Hey, Jamaica love, we wanna feel Jamaica. Everybody wanna visit Jamaica. Hey, Jamaica love, Jamaica. Hey, Jamaica love, we wanna feel Jamaica love, love, love. Everybody wanna visit Jamaica. Represent for your man, tune up hurricane and storm. From the time we drop with them about that man still has the line. Yard man up the link to the link for Canadian, American, England. Make sure that whether they're from the house, mama visit Western Union. Come and bring up the foundation. Hard yard man, so we have ambition. Now flash out all the money back, let's play this thing. Funds and harmony. Every Jamaican is a show me the yard. Represent for your side. Me a tell you real Jamaican, cause the whole of we are one. Say, hey Jamaica love. Love you so much. Love our arm on the cross. Signal, busy, 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 busy. I'm so honored. Yo, Brent, hold on there. Hold on there, Brent. So, man, back me up around the black round, this one I say. Busy, I feel do this for we. Get stick up. We get stick up. Oh, Jesus. So,
one minute.
reggae music again. Yeah, we have that. Oh my God. Let me just do this for you ladies, please. I'm not for money now, man. Like I said before, I get inspired and I do songs that I'm able to do the most I city. But I feel we got to do one of them once again. Big up the ladies. Love, 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 yes. Ladies, if you know this, sing this with me. Level, low. I've been alone with you inside my mind, and in my dreams I've kissed your lips 1,000 times. I sometimes see you pass outside my door. Hey, is it me you're looking for? I can see it in your smile. You're all I ever wanted. My arms are open wide. Oh, you know just what to say, and you know just what to do. But let me start by saying,
and style can't spoil. He was born as a militant child. Love and harmony. Let's hear it for the great Busy Signal and the band on the stand. And for